Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rodney Stokes here, and this is sort of a review for Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. And for those of you who don't know Russell Brunson, he's been around forever, really, for like 20 years. And he's one of the first ones who I've really got turned on to, where I went out to his event in San Diego. I got to meet him and everything, and I just think that he's pretty much a brilliant guy. He's very analytical, and he has a way of putting things in certain frameworks to where anyone can understand and can apply what he's teaching. So the reason I'm talking about this today is because you see it says the underground playbook for filling your website and funnels with your dream customers. Now, the biggest thing that I run into when I teach people how to market on Facebook or just marketing in general is you have to understand who your demographic is or who your dream customer is. So a lot of times, people are on Facebook and they get pumped up and they want to start promoting, and they start posting links on their Facebook wall, and they're wondering why they're not getting engagement. Maybe they're getting clicks but they're not getting sales, and reason being is because, and you're gonna have to mind the cars driving in the background, reason being is because you have your aunt, your grandmother, your cousin, people you grew up with, your doctor, your teacher, that are your Facebook friends. These people are not targeted. They are not targeted prospects. Now, the main thing that you want to do is, and Russell does a great job putting this in simple terms, what he likes to say is people who are interested in the same thing often hang out in the same places. So in other words, they congregate together. So people who are interested in basketball tend to hang out in basketball or NBA groups, or they comment and they post and they like posts that are about basketball. People who are interested in, let's say, teaching or work from home jobs, they hang out in these type of groups. So what Social Prospector Pro does, and what I've been doing for myself and my business for years, is it allows you to pinpoint. First of all, you got to pinpoint who your perfect customer is. And this software allows you to locate these people, these groups, these posts, and these pages where all of them are congregating, which is what Russell teaches. And it siphons all of those people from these pages, groups, and posts and brings them into your world. And when I say that, it allows you to add these people as friends on your friends list. So every single time that you post about your business and your opportunity or whatever, you know that it's being seen by targeted eyes, but also gives you profile traffic right away. So you got to make sure that your Facebook profile is optimized for when people do come visit and say, hey, well, who's this Rodney guy from requesting me? Let me go take a look. They're saying stuff that interests them. Now, the great thing about that, and I don't want to go too long, I want to keep this as short as possible, but the great thing about that is you never have to wonder what interests this person. You never have to wonder what is this person into, or what would they buy from me. And the reason being is you know exactly where you found them, right? So if you found them commenting and liking and loving on a specific post or inside of a group or on a page about dog food or about exercise, you know exactly what that person's mindset is, especially with groups. Because if a person is that passionate enough to join a group, and groups that they pay to join especially, it's telling you multiple things. That person is a buyer, which means they like to spend money, they don't mind spending money, and they're a believer. You don't got to overcome any skepticism. You don't gotta, convince them that, no, this is not a pyramid scheme. Yes, you can make money online. You don't gotta do all of that heavy lifting like you do when you approach the average person. And so, like I said, the name of the game is to pinpoint these people. But in order for you to pinpoint those people, you have to know exactly who you serve. That's the only thing. Once you figure that out, the rest is easy. And so this is sort of a recommendation for Traffic Secrets. I love this guy. I love this book. I'm reading it right now. I actually listened to the audiobook while I was waiting for this to come in the mail. I have his other books as well, Expert Secrets and .com Secrets, as well as all of his other courses. I mean, you name it, I got it. The guy's brilliant. But I just kind of wanted to make this video to simplify it for you guys, because I know a lot of internet marketers are familiar with Russell's work, and he literally teaches the same exact principles that Social Prospector Pro allows you to take advantage of. And that is to find these people that are hanging out together and then pull them into your world and get laser targeted free traffic. I'm a traffic guy. I've sent millions of emails. I do solo ad traffic, and I've bought tons of traffic since 2011. Nothing is more targeted than Facebook ad traffic and Facebook organic traffic. I mean, you have search traffic that's really, really targeted, but of course it takes time. Either you're going to spend that money to put your ad in front of these targeted videos or whatever platform you're on, or it's going to take time for your content to rank so you can start getting some type of significant traffic. But Facebook, I mean, it's the holy grail. So like I said, I highly recommend you check out this book. Also, if you don't have Social Prospector Pro, click the button below. As of today is June 13th, 2020, and the price is actually increasing on the 17th of June. So you have 3 days until the price goes up to $47 a month or $497 a year. So if you lock in the price right away, you will never be affected by the price increase. That is just my gift to you as the pioneers who first came on board with me rolling this thing out, and for you, giving me your business. And just like I said, it's just my gift to you, a little token of my appreciation. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by replying back to this email or leaving a comment below or reaching out to me on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. Until then, you guys have a great day. I wish you much success, and I'll see you next time.